Today we will present our project management, and we are group six. Our leader is Samu Siong, and group member have Hui Sen, Ong Sun Ping, Ho Wing Eng, and Kam Jing Hao. And our project title is Revolutionize and Recycle. Our project problem statement is the goal and operation of some industry have result in pollution and unhygienic living conditions in today's society. Environmental pollution problems such as air, ocean, and land are all caused by humans. To organize an exhibition of environmentally responsible artwork, we chose two terms: the intersection of environmental protection and artwork. The first step is to attract visitors while advocating for environmental protection. To show visitors that resource can be saved and waste avoid, we display wood made from plastic, recycled paper, box, magazine, and other repurposed waste material. The project objective have increased awareness and understanding of the concept of reverse logistics. The second is show the visitor how to make good use for ways to make useful things. The third is encourage sustainable practice by implement environmentally relevant artwork. The fourth is increasing public knowledge for environmental issues.
Project scope. Now is the part of the project scope. Requirement and output. From this project, we learn how to promote and communicate to the visitor to make them aware of the importance of the environmental protection. We also learn how to teamwork while being dispersed, such as assign the task, communicate, trust, and time management. Through this project, we will explore creative way of utilizing waste material to produce artwork during the event. And the visitor will also gain awareness of and importance of environmental protection from this activity. And they will have another perspective on waste material, letting the visitor to know that some waste material can also be created as with these works of art. This exhibition is open to all interested parties, which include faculty, students, and outside guests. We will capture the ESG day with picture and films. Our objective is to get 50 visitors on the ESG days to view the environmental protection work we display. The way to record the number of visitors is using a notebook to record the visitor's signature. In ESG Day, we successfully collect signature from more than 50 visitors. So this is our timeline. The ESG Day was held on March 6th, which is Wednesday. And it was start exhibiting, and our project was start exhibiting environmental artwork on Deck 7, which is located in the ship campus. Our task is to produce environmentally friendly works and collect waste material to make some works display and set up a workshop which is how to make the artwork of yesterday and obtain feedback from visitor on environmental protection.
Okay, so next part is our program budget. At the beginning, our budget was estimated to be about RM50. Then during the exhibition preparation process, we found some necessary expenses such as stationery, poster, printing fee, and flow costs. So, including the above expenses, actual cost was RM20. So beside that is the diagram lah for our budget cost. So next slide. Okay, so this is the diagram of our work breakdown structure. Our leader streamers, he will take part to distribute work to our group members and also design the poster. And then first for me, Sun Bin, I'm take part to use the waste material to make the bag or the toys at the to put at the booth. Then next is Jim Hao. He is take part to collect the waste materials such as plastic paper, fishing net, and the other else. Next one is Howing. He used the waste paper to make the origami. And last one is Yishun. He take part to record the ESG activity of the day, such as take the photo or the videos. And also responsible for recording the entire activity process and writing it on the report. Okay, so this one is our Gantt chart for the whole event.
Now for Raji is that there are project activities which are homemade environmentally friendly works, collect waste material, poster design, the use of plastic bottle to make bags, origami figures, and recording the number of visitors. Now the resource of artwork is that for item which are basket and toys. So for the risk assessment, the number of stuff that we did, the date that is raised, the risk description, the likelihood of it happening, the impact, the severity, the owner, and the mitigation action. For the first one is computer technique problem. The likelihood of it happening is medium, as well as the impact and severity. The owner this is Fu Yishen, and the mitigation action would be to bring a backup computer. Now the second one is that we forgot to bring the artworks. The likelihood, impact, and severity of this is high, and the owner is Sun Ping. The mitigation action to be taken is to prepare excess artwork to be stored in the hostel. Now for the third one is broken artwork. The likelihood of it happening is low, but the impact is medium and the severity. The mitigation action that's taken is to place warning signs to alert visitors to not touch and disturb the artworks that are on display.
This is the project evaluation for our group. The first one is technical performance. So overall, the project worked completely in good quality, meeting the expectation of the customer. Project, but there is a technical issue regarding the video tutorial we made, and that is what we didn't expect, and we should improve on that. Second, Cost performance. We have no problem with the cost performance. The final project cost is lower than the expected cost. There are no changes in project scope. The third evaluation agenda is schedule performance. We have no problem with schedule performance. The actual project schedule has no problem at all. Everything is up to date. We managed to complete everything in our expected schedule. Next is project planning and control. Our project was planned in sufficient detail as we planned any activities conducted in the schedule and material we needed for this project. The fifth evaluation agenda is risk management. Okay, no. We also identified the risk at the beginning of the project. And the risk of this project is not having enough time to complete the project work, or with facing challenges during our project model, origami, and other stuff. Customer relationship. Because our customer provide variable opinions to our project, so we increase the value of customer relationship, and we certifies our customer. So yes, the customer was very satisfied with the progress of our project as well. Next is team relationship. As we delegate and assign a task properly for each member to conduct, and we brainstorm together when we face challenges in the progress. So yes, I think we have a good team relationship. Next is communication. Yes, our team is informed of the project status and potential problems in a timely manner. The project environment was conducive to open, honest, and timely communication. We have great communication. The lesson learned, our project idea and our project models work well, and the project models, however, we face some technical issues during the ESG day. That is what we can learn to be more careful next time. The issue happened during the event. What we can apply on our next project and what we did well is our creativity. Our creativity on the project helped us, and we should continue to apply our creativity on our future project. Next is recommendations. So through this event, we realize that is something that need to be improved, which is we can arrange stalls to attract visitors. We did everything right. The project is fine. Everything is correct. Everything going well. But what we can do better is we should arrange the stall to attract visitors. That is something that we miss out. And then another room for improvement is that we should check out the device before the ESG event, because we encountered something during the ESG event regarding the computer playing the lecturer slide and the tutorial video about teaching how to make the origami and the souvenir that we use with recycled materials. But overall, it was not a big deal because we solved the problem in the end. That is all from us. Thank you.